Welcome! In this video, we will see how to get started with TallyPrime and create your first invoice. The simplistic design and flexibility of TallyPrime allows you to print an invoice in a matter of minutes after installation. You can download the TallyPrime installer from Tally Solutions website. Double-click the setup.exe to start the installation. In the installation wizard, click Install. The wizard installs the application in default path. It is a single-click process. Start TallyPrime. Once TallyPrime is installed, you have to activate the license. TallyPrime will be in educational mode until the license is activated. This is shown in the title bar. Click Activate New License. Enter the serial number, activation key, and your email ID. Provide a valid email ID here that you use frequently, since this ID will be used for all communication and license management. It will also be assigned as TallyNet ID. After you accept the details, the unlock key is sent to the given email ID. Copy or enter the unlock key and accept. TallyPrime license is now activated with the given serial number. You will notice that TallyPrime has changed from educational mode to the license mode. The color of the title bar changes when the license is active. You can now start with your company creation. Select Create Company. You can also use the company menu on the top. Enter the name of the company and the contact details. Provide the financial year beginning and books beginning date. You can alter the company master later at any point in time to add more details. Save to create the company. The company features screen is displayed. You can enable the required features now or later at any point in time. Press Escape to exit. You are now ready to record an invoice and print. Let us create a sales invoice. Press V to go to vouchers. Press F8 to open a sales voucher. You can select Cash Ledger, which is provided by default. You can create another ledger on the fly using Alt-C. Same with the items. Just press Alt-C to create them on the fly. Enter the item details, including unit of measure. Accept to return to the voucher screen. Enter the quantity and rate. Select the sales ledger. You can create the sales ledger also using the shortcut key. That's all. Your invoice is ready. Save it. Open the saved invoice and print it. The invoice will show you all the details. Let us now check some reports. All your reports are readily available and are updated with every transaction. Here is the day book. This lists all the transactions in the day. And here is your trial balance. You can view the reports at any time from anywhere using Go To option. As you can see, you can start with recording transactions within no time in TallyPrime. You can enable all features related to accounting, inventory, or statutory as you go along. If you're an existing Tally ERP9 user, you can upgrade your installation to TallyPrime or install TallyPrime in a different folder. Both new users and existing users will find it very easy to start using TallyPrime. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.